how to make your own trading system in the trading, simply to follow these people who are the winner communities in the trading. Number one, the traders who use the trend to make money in the market. It is the most profitable way, which give you a lot of profit, but sometimes it fails due to fake trends. So how to know that this is a good trend and this is not a good trend? This gonna give us a lot of profit and this not gonna give us a lot of profit. Simply to follow the traders who use volume in the trading. Like there was a small volume and after some boost there the breakout occur. This is a fake breakout. If there is a large volume and after some time the breakout occur, this may be the real breakout. With that, you're gonna also use the time frame. If you are using 1 day time frame, so the 1 hour breakout, that is a fake breakout. If you are using 1 week time frame, so the 1 week time frame, so in this time frame, the 1 day breakout, that is a fake breakout. You're not gonna act with that. After several breakout, you can consider it is a real breakout. And then after that, you can act on it. So this was our part 1, which is about the trend of the market. The second winning community in trading is the fund management community. Of course, you're gonna buy with the trend. Of course, you can buy, but you're gonna manage your fund according to your wallet. Why you have to manage your funds? Because there is risk in the trading. If there were no risk in the trading, we could put all of ours in the trading, but there is risk. That's why we do not put all of our 100% in the trading. So how to manage our funds in the trading? Like if you wanna buy about $10,000 stocks and you put a stop loss about 10%, which is about $1,000. If you want to add more and you want to buy more stocks and you bought about $20,000 stocks, in that case you're not going to increase the stop loss because the risk remain the same. That's what I mean, to manage your funds according to your wallet. So this was our second part, which is fund management. See you in the third part. The third point on which the winner trader work is the risk control. Why we have to control the risk? Because there is a lot of chances to lose. There is no 100% chance to win in the trading. That's why you have to control the risk. So there are 3 plans to control the risk: daily risk control plan, weekly risk control plan, and annual risk control plan. After learning these 3 points, follow the trend, fund management, risk control, can you make money from the trading? Still not, because we are learning this theoretically. You're gonna practice on these for many times. You have to be winner to make money from these points. You have to be winner. First of all, you have to be winner. You're gonna practice on this for a lot of times. Then you can make money by these rules. The point that a winner trader have is the winner mentality. The winner mentality is like that. Don't expect profit from every trade, and they're not even afraid of losing. But perhaps a lot of people don't have this kind of mentality. Only 0.01% have this kind of mentality. Now 99.99% don't have this kind of mentality. That's why a lot of people, they are afraid of losing and they expect profit from every trade. These people, whenever they buy stocks, they are afraid of crash, they are afraid of losing. But there comes the winner mentality. They think that there is no winning at the first time. That you have to lose. If you want to win, you have to lose first. That's why you need to have the winner mentality. If you master these 4 rules and you are still not able to make money from the market, so you didn't master it well. Because these 4 are the winner strategies. If you master these, you're gonna definitely win in the trading system. Of course, these first 3 are really easy, but the last one is really difficult. You cannot have the winner mentality because it is the nature of a human. They don't accept the failure and always expect the profit. That's why the winner mentalities are different from us. That's why you need to have the mentality different from others. Then you can win in the trading. What to do when we stuck in a crash market? Commonly, a lot of people do these 3 kind of mistakes when they're stuck in a crash market. First of all, these people are gonna search another person, another trader, and search for their opinion, and they're gonna only focus on the positive and do not focus on the negative. These people are gonna also search for a lot of news and they only focus on the positive news and do not act on the negative news. The third mistake that they're gonna do is that they're gonna search another teacher, and this teacher gonna send them messages to only buy on the low and sell on the high. But how do we know that this is a high, this is low? Isn't it right? None of these gonna solve the issue of being stuck in a crash market. The only thing that gonna solve the issue of being stuck in a crash market is that search for the reason. Why does it happen? Didn't you put the stop loss when you were buying stocks and the price reached to your stop loss? Why didn't you sell at that time? Expectation from the trades, that was the reason that you hold on that trade for a long time, that it crashed and you went down from your stop loss. In that case, you were going against your trading rules. So buy when there is time to buy and sell when there is time to sell, only by your own trading signals, and do not let your emotions to take over your mind.